waste more money.
Using cars, using the gasoline is
At least
spending money.
At least she doesn't have to spend lots of money. All you have to do
You
is
know
get gas.
how much only is when you
500.
commute. You just from north, it's only 50 to 60 pesos, and then when you already here in the Lubers, it's only 20 to 25 pesos. So how much is that? It's 75 pesos or to 85 pesos. And when you use cars, you're spending a lot.
Mama say we also go to. Mama say when we go. Oh, Papa, look, it's our car. There.
Oh,
That's not our car.
that's not our car.
That's our car. Our car has a 7 number.
Oh, 7 numbers.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
No, he has a 7 number there in the front. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Why are they beep, 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 beep,
Because
beep,
this
beep,
already causing traffics that same car as us.
beep, 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 beep. But there are lots of.
Oh, there's a lot of benta of Torotats. Put put.
Pag malapit na mag-New Year.
Yes.
Ilang days
Sa 31 is pagsalubong. You know what is pagsalubong?
Yan, like parang salubong yan yung parang hinintay natin yung New Year.
Abang sasalubungin mo yung pagdating niya.
Yeah.
Yes, by changing of years. The changing is in the 12 o'clock between December 31 and January 1. It's 11:59 to 12 until 1:01. That's why. It's 101. That's the way we do it, baby. It's like that. It's 101. That's the way we do it, baby. Dun. Ba't nga pala ako kumanta? Mamaya, pag in-upload ko to,
Papa, 2 days na lang Papa, tas New Year na.
oo nga, 29 na ngayon. Bukas, ano bukas?
30.
Ano bukas?
26.
What is the celebration of the Philippine
Christmas.
Republic?
Ano yun? Yung ano yun? Rizal ba yun?
Rizal. Why? Why
Like,
Rizal?
Parang
Wait,
yung
how about for
30,
the other
30 di ba bukas?
Papa.
Oh, why? Why
How about
we
for
are
the
celebrating Rizal?
How about for the other country?
Because who's Rizal na sinasabi mo?
Jose Rizal.
Yes. Oh, bakit siya? Mayroon tayong sineselebrate.
Because he's a national
It's a
hero.
commemorating of what?
Parang
He's a doctor.
Yes, he's a doctor.
yung reason daw is that
Yeah, because he's a
No.
doctor.
No.
Rizal, ano siya diba pa Rizal Day?
Hmm.
This is Rizal.
It's
Nung namatay na? Or when he was born?
namatay.
When he was born.
Actually, yeah. Right. Nung namatay siya. Actually, hindi siya namatay. Pinatay.
Pinatay.
Who?
Si Rizal. Si
No,
Rizal.
who killed him?
The Spaniards. The Frailes. Those
Because he's a doctor?
no, kasi
Ano
Di ba,
going against them?
against
Against siya sa mga
oo.
Spaniards.
Lalo na sa mga fraile. Fraile is yung mga pare.
How
Paring paring Spaniards.
Then why are we celebrating if he died this day?
Because it means there was a hero na nung pinatay kasi siya, diyan na rin nagsimula halos yung talagang simula ng totoong himagsikan na. Although meron ng himagsikan, what is himagsikan is yung nag-uprise yung mga Pilipino. Pero mostly mas lalo silang mas lalong magdamdamin kasi si Gat Andres Bonifacio idolize or yung si Rizal, doon niya pinabase yung kanyang so mas lalo nung pinatay siya. So kung yung tao na parang walang kasalanan kasi nagsusulat lang siya
How
ng
about for the
actually siya ang ginamit niya ng paglaban by using a
Adino?
pen. Yun.
Parang nagsulat siya.
Nagsusulat siya ng mga bagay na ginagawa ng mga Spaniards, ng mga Fraile, ng mga Kastila, mga pag-abuso nila sa bansa, like that. But actually Rizal is not hindi siya parang totally against sa Spanish. Gusto niya maging actually ang inaano nila maging hindi siya maging malaya tayo, kundi gusto niya maging province tayo ng Spanish, ng Spain, kasi colonized tayo ng Spain.
Okay, how about the other countries? What do they celebrate in
December 13th.
Actually yung ibang country nire-recognize din nila si Rizal, Jose Rizal. Sa China meron siyang
what's that?
actually kasi si Rizal meron siyang blood ng Chinese, kasi yung mga kalululuhan niya isa Chinese immigrant dito sa atin. Immigrant ba ang tawag dito kasi sikat na books na ginawa ni Jose Rizal, and then
Tapos
yung kasunod nun na books
tawag doon, book isa.
L Filibusterismo.
Yeah, that one.
Anong ibig sabihin ng noli me tangere? In English or Tagalog, what is noli me tangere?
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Ha?
Well, it sounds like it.
Ano?
2.
Noli me tangere.
Why are you talking back to me?
sabihin ay wag mo, in Tagalog, wag mo kong salingin o wag mo kong
Salingin.
hawakan o wag mo kong
Salingin.
in English, touch me not.
Touch me.
Don't touch me.
Yan, salingin, hawakan, parang ganun yun eh. Wag mo kong hawakan o hipuin.
Hindi ito siya. Haba. Kaya ito touching you.
Yun, alam nyo na. Nasa Lubers na po tayo. Pakanan na tayo na MH Del Pilar. O, MH Del Pilar.
We're almost
Etong street, anong ibig sabihin ng MH sa MH Del Pilar? Pilar. Pilar is apelido.
Kaya pinito bro.
Del Pilar pala.
Bakit mo ko pinilang?
Sino siya? Sino yan? MH is means Marcelo H. Nakalimutan ko na yung ibig sabihin ng H eh.
There's Pilar.
Ayan o, MH Del Pilar means yung M niya Marcelo yan.
Rafael.
Marcelo H. Del Pilar. Yan yung isa rin katulad ni Jose Rizal siya. Nagsusulat siya laban sa mga Spaniards.
So they're friends.
Yes. Maybe friends. Nagkasama sila eh.
So they're friends.
Nagkasama sila sa
Okay,
ibang
how
bansa.
about the Spaniards today. What are they gonna do in December 3rd?
Nothing. Ayan.
They
I don't know if there was a celebration over there because yung
Malay mo, my
Spain.
birthday.
Yung Spain kasi,
They-
saan kinuha ang pangalan ng Pilipinas?
Sa ano, prince na.
Yon, sa King.
Kaya ano prince yun?
Prince pa lang ba siya nun? Alam ko King na. Si King Philip.
Ah, okay. Oo nga. King Philip.
they add the Philip and then who is Eves?
King Philip.
Philippines. Papa. Sino daw ka pa si Ins? Philippines.
Actually, that's ins. It's pine. It's a pine tree. It's Christmas. That's why there was a pine tree. It's a Christmas tree.
Philippines. Philippines.
There's a Philip. There's a
MH Del Pilar, si Marcelo H. Del Pilar from Bulacan.
Go, go, go!
H. Del Pilar, medyo traffic. Heavy traffic. Okay, bye-bye, Portal. Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.